Hi, I'm Mike Norton, Director of Implementations here at TimeShareWare. TimeShareWare has developed an exciting new product known as our Recurring Payment Interface. Seamlessly works with payment gateways to bring payment information into TimeShareWare. Let's have a look. In TimeShareWare, I've opened the record for Brad Aaron. I'm going to open up his account. We'll go to the Account tab and select the contract that we're looking at. From here, we'll see that he has a maintenance fee that needs a payment. Now, I've gone into Sage's virtual terminal, and as you can see, there are several options. I go to the Recurring Transactions tab and do a new recurring virtual check. As I select that, it will pull up the screen, which allows me to enter in information about the check payment, starting with the amount. Now, as we take a closer look at the transaction menu, you'll see that you can do a bank card transaction, virtual check transaction, or under the recurring transactions, you can do a new recurring bank card or new recurring virtual check transaction. I've picked recurring check and start with the amount. And here we key in the $250 that we expect and the schedule that we've set up. In this case, I've set up a weekly schedule called Weekly Test. I enter in the account number for Brad Aaron's bank account and the routing number that would be at the bottom of the check. I can also pick how many times I'd like $250 withdrawn. In this case, I've set the number to 4. Now I'll enter in the key information for Brad, his name, his address, city, state, zip. This all can be done while speaking with the owner face-to-face or over the phone. In the third-party reference field, I use a code to determine whether it's a mortgage or an accounts receivable payment for their account. In this case, I've entered in Brad's contract number. Now I'll press the Add New Recurring Transaction button, which will bring me to a screen that shows the transaction entered. From here, I can see all of the information. And if I scroll to the right, I'll be able to see additional options that allow me to manipulate the payment if need be, such as editing it, deleting it, manually processing it, or viewing the history. Now I've come to TimeShareWare's file loader, and from here I'm going to upload the file that I've received from Sage, our payment gateway, to import directly into TimeShareWare. It's that simple. The process is done. I can now go into TimeShareWare and I'll see the payment highlighted that applies to Brad's account. I can also go into additional details on this payment and see, as I click View, that the user is RPI import. That way it's known that it came from the Recurring Payment Interface process. It's that simple. And there you have it. That's TimeShareWare's Recurring Payment Interface. Very exciting. We're glad we could show it to you. Please contact us if you'd like to know more. Thanks.